Hi, this video is the before and after hair transplant restoration surgery on a patient who had a class 4 hair loss pattern, and he's thinning from the front all the way toward the back. Although he has some frontal forelock, but what we did was we rebuilt the whole hairline, recreate his hairline, reinforce the frontal forelock, and work our way toward the back. Now his result is fantastic. It's extremely natural, and I'm thankful that he allowed me an opportunity to show the before and after work, and that's really gonna show the audience how natural his work is. And he even mentioned that no one really detected that he had a surgery done, and that's a great part. So just to show the audience what he looked like before, now if you can direct camera toward and zoom in. Zoom in slowly, there we go. There we go. And that's him before. He has, you can see through the back and here, and that's a year later with a full set of hair. Rebuilt the hairline, lowered the hairline, recreated widow's peak, right side thin and all the way toward the back. And just the frontal forelocks there. And this is my stick one. Left hand side, you see through the alley. And then a year later, you can see a full set of hair. And then the top view, you can see how thin he was. And that's where he is. Okay, before. That's afterward. This is before. This is after. And just to show the audience what he is now. Okay. And so we're gonna have the patient turn to the left. And comb the hair through. Patient turn this way. This way. Now you're going to look down. All that is his little hair. So this is the before and after hair transplant. Patient with a class 4 hair loss pattern with around 4,000 grafts. Thank you.